Welcome to our video on how to get rich with little. Often, we believe that we need large sums of money to start investing and making money, but that's not the case. In this video, we will show you 7 different ways to start investing and making money, even with little money. From investing in stocks and real estate, to working as a freelancer and starting an online business, you'll see that there are many options available. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to start building your wealth today. Step 1. Invest in stocks. Investing in stocks of successful companies is a popular way to make money, even with little money. You can buy stocks of successful companies and make money with the growth of the stock value. This can be done through an online brokerage account. However, it's important to remember that stock investing involves risks, and it's important to do your own research and understand the risks before investing. Step 2. Invest in real estate. Investing in real estate is another way to make money. Even if you can't buy a property, you can invest in real estate through real estate funds or renting out a room in your own property. By renting out a room, you can make money while still living in the property. Additionally, investing in real estate funds can provide regular and predictable returns. Step 3. Invest in fixed income. Investing in government bonds or other fixed income securities is another way to make money. These investments generally offer regular and predictable returns and are considered less risky than stocks. Step 4. Trade used goods. Trading used goods is another way to make money. By buying used goods at low prices and reselling them at a higher price, you can make a profit. This can be done through online buying and selling sites such as eBay or Mercado Libre. Step 5. Work as a freelancer. If you have specialized skills, you can work as a freelancer and make money from home. This can include writing jobs, graphic design, programming, and many other types of work. There are many online platforms to find freelancer jobs such as Upwork or Freelancer. Step 6. Start an online business. Starting an online business can be a way to make money without investing much. The costs to start an online business are generally lower than those of a traditional business, and there are many opportunities to make money through online sales, advertising, and other forms of monetization. Step 7. Save money. Finally, one of the best ways to get rich with little is by saving money and investing it smartly. This means being mindful of your expenses, budgeting, and putting your money into investments that have the potential to grow over time.